Are you finding it impossible to save or build wealth on a low income? What if I told you that building lasting wealth isn't about how much you make, but about how smart you are with the resources at your disposal? In 2026, creating a solid financial foundation on a lower income is more than just cutting costs. It's about adopting the right habits that will lead to sustainable growth. From leveraging digital tools to strategic decision-making, these 8 habits will help you steadily increase your wealth, even with a tight budget. Let's dive into how you can start turning your finances around today. 1. The Roundup Investment Anchor. Have you ever thought of your spare change as an investment opportunity? One of the most overlooked ways to build wealth, even on a limited income, is by utilizing the Roundup Investment Anchor habit. Many of us treat small change as insignificant, but that spare change can quietly grow into a solid portfolio over time. This habit involves using apps that round up every purchase you make to the nearest dollar, and then automatically investing the difference into a low-cost exchange-traded fund ETF. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.50, the app will round it up to $3 and invest the remaining 50 cents. It may seem small, but it adds up over time. Even with low income, this process allows you to invest a few dollars every day without feeling any impact on your lifestyle. The real power of this habit lies in consistency. Imagine rounding up on 40 small purchases every month. Within a year, you could have an additional $500 to $1,000 in your investment portfolio. The best part? You're investing without even realizing it, and your money starts working for you while you sleep. 2. Practice selective frugality. When you're working with a lower income, it can be tempting to cut out every single expense. But here's the catch. Not all expenses are created equal. If you want to avoid burnout and make your budget sustainable, you need to practice selective frugality. This means applying the 80-20 rule to your spending. Instead of cutting out everything you enjoy, focus on eliminating the things that don't really improve your quality of life. Perhaps you love high-quality coffee, but you're not overly attached to dining out or buying clothes often. Instead of drastically slashing all your spending, focus on the areas that matter most to you, whether that's a particular hobby or a small luxury that brings you joy, and be frugal with everything else. This habit helps you avoid the frugality burnout that often happens when you feel deprived. By continuing to spend intentionally on the things that truly enhance your life while keeping other expenses low, you'll find that your budget feels more manageable in the long run. This approach makes the journey toward wealth building sustainable, even if your income is limited. 3. Build a skill stacking hour. On a low income, time is one of your most valuable assets. Rather than spending hours working in a low-wage job, investing just 1 hour a day to learn new skills can pay off immensely over time. This habit is called skill stacking, and it involves dedicating 1 hour a day to improving your skill set in areas that can significantly increase your earning potential. In today's world, there are countless free resources at your disposal. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, or even free AI-based learning tools can help you pick up high ROI skills such as coding, graphic design, or digital marketing. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through social media or watching TV, use that time to gain a competitive advantage in the job market. When you add a new skill on top of your existing experience, you increase your hourly value. Even a modest $2 per hour raise can make a massive difference in your overall income over the course of a year. It's a powerful way to break the cycle of low income and build the foundation for higher paying opportunities. Skill stacking is one of the fastest, most effective ways to boost your earning potential and build wealth for the long term. 4. The zero-based social life. One of the most insidious habits that can drain your finances is comparing your social life to that of others. When your friends or colleagues are spending money on expensive dinners or outings, it's easy to feel like you need to keep up. This is known as comparative spending, and it can lead to unnecessary financial strain. Instead of trying to compete, practice the zero-based social life habit. This means shifting your focus away from spending money to keep up with others and, instead, suggesting social activities that are either free or low cost. Think hiking, hosting potlucks, or attending free community events. By being the person who suggests these activities, you can maintain your social life without spending money you don't have. This habit not only protects your finances, but also helps you stay in control of your spending. You don't need to feel left out or pressured to spend on lavish experiences just to fit in. When you embrace zero-cost activities, you'll find that your social life remains just as fulfilling without the financial burden that often comes with traditional forms of entertainment. 5. Utilize micro-scholarships and benefits. If you're working with a lower income, there may be free money out there for you that you're not tapping into. Programs like local community grants, utility assistance programs, or employer-sponsored upskilling reimbursements often go unnoticed by low to moderate income earners simply because they're too time-consuming to research. The habit here is simple. Every 6 months, audit these resources to find out what benefits or opportunities you may have missed. It could be a $300 utility credit or a free certification course through your job that adds valuable skills to your resume. By taking advantage of these micro-scholarships, you're adding to your wealth without spending any of your own money. These small windfalls might seem insignificant on their own, but over time, they add up. Treating these benefits as bonuses and applying them to your savings or investments is one of the easiest ways to increase your wealth without increasing your expenses. It's essentially like finding hidden money that works in your favor. 6. The substitute don't delete subscription rule. In 2026, we're all subscribing to something, whether it's streaming services, music apps, or online subscriptions for productivity tools. But have you ever considered how much these subscriptions are draining from your bank account? The substitute don't delete habit is a simple but powerful way to save without losing the things you enjoy. Instead of canceling every paid service, look for high-quality free or ad-supported alternatives. For example, switch from a paid music app to a library-connected app like Libby or Hoopla, which gives you access to a vast selection of music, books, and movies without the cost. You can also look for free alternatives for other subscriptions like workout apps or entertainment services. 7. The anti-liability maintenance routine. For those with low income, unexpected expenses can be a significant barrier to building wealth. A $500 car repair or a broken appliance can completely derail your finances if you don't have an emergency fund. The solution? The anti-liability maintenance routine. This habit involves performing regular, preventative maintenance on your possessions to avoid costly repairs down the line. It could mean rotating your car's tires, cleaning appliance filters, or scheduling regular dental checkups. By investing in maintenance today, you'll save yourself from expensive crisis costs tomorrow. 8. The found money 100% rule. Finally, when you receive unexpected money, whether it's a tax refund, a small bonus, or a gift, it can be tempting to spend it on something indulgent. But the found money 100% rule suggests a different approach. Deposit 100% of any non-salary income directly into a high-yield savings account or apply it to debt repayment. By treating this extra money as invisible and not allowing it to become part of your regular spending habits, you can quickly accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Whether it's a small gift or a tax refund, these windfalls can have a powerful impact on your net worth if you put them to work instead of splurging. There you have it, the top 8 wealth habits that work even with low income. From round-up investing to being intentional with your social life, these habits will help you take control of your financial future, no matter what your income level is. By making small, consistent changes, you can begin building wealth, protecting your finances, and ensuring that your future is more secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to build wealth and improve your financial life. Let me know in the comments which habit you're going to start practicing first, and I'll see you in the next video.